Hello, this video will show how can we crop the image in Photoshop. This is an image I downloaded from freepik.com. We can find the download link in this video description. To start to crop the image, we can use the crop tool here, or we can use shortcut C to use the crop tools. And then we can adjust the height and width here. Actually, we can adjust the corner. If we press enter, then the image is cropped. Or we can use the ratio here. We can choose 1:1, 2:3, or we can use the 4x5 inch 300 ppi to crop the image. So we can click and drag to adjust the area that we will crop, and then press enter. Ctrl 0 to fix the view. So this is how we can crop the image in Photoshop. Actually, there is an alternate way to crop the image. If we make selection, looking like this, and then go to image and crop, we can get another way to crop the image. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Anthony. See you in the next video. Bye bye.